Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very quick and simple chili oil using dried chili flakes. And I will assure you, hindi po siya masakit sa mata at ilong habang niluluto ito. It is sweet and savory, and it is best partner with your favorite siomai. And if you also want my siomai recipe, please click on the next video or the link is in the description box below. So tara, umpisahan na natin. So kailangan natin ng 150 grams of dried chili flakes, 3 large heads of garlic, finely chopped, or you can also use a food processor. Pour in 4½ cups of vegetable oil. So, ayan, i-switch on lang natin ang ating stove sa lowest flame at isi-simmer natin ang ating mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes or until mag-light brown na ang ating garlic. When the garlic turns light brown, we will need to add ½ cup of brown sugar. And then we will need to add ½ cup of Hoisin sauce. And to serve as our preservative, we will also add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And then simmer lang natin ng 2 minutes and then switch off na natin yung flame. Tapos palamigin po natin before po natin i-transfer sa mga small jars. So here you go. This is my version of quick and easy chili oil using dried chili flakes, which is sweet and savory, and it is best partner with our favorite siomai. And thank you guys for watching.